It's not every day you get to walk down the street and see a double rainbow. Wow, that's rare, that's cool. And you know, I didn't happen to have a big camera on me, but I did have a smartphone in my pocket. I had an iPhone 12 Max Pro, but any current smartphone would have been able to do the trick. I got a pretty cool shot, and I got there via trial and error. I thought you might get a kick out of seeing what I had to work through to get that end shot. I wish I had video to show you of me behind the scenes taking photos of the rainbow, but you know, when I woke up in the morning, I didn't know it was going to be there. I wanted to capture the whole thing with an object in between, because a shot over the ocean is cool, but why not a shot over the lifeguard tower? When's the last time you saw a rainbow over one of the most iconic LA symbols of beach life? The first thing I did is get a shot over the lifeguard tower, but it was okay, but I didn't get the whole rainbow. So I started moving back and back and back and back, trying to capture the whole thing, but it just never looked really good. So I switched lenses. Most modern smartphones have 3 of them: portrait, wide, and ultra wide, which is what I picked to get the entire rainbow in there. But now it was so wide that you had the entire shadow of me in the shot taking the photo, and it just wasn't that great. Then I figured, hey, let's try getting the rainbow over the ocean, see what it looks like. Kind of blah. So in that shot, I did get a seagull going directly over the rainbow, which is kind of nice, but I didn't get the whole double rainbow. So then I had a brainstorm. Pano mode. Panoramic shots are generally thought of as the ultimate wide angle. To do a really good pano, you keep your feet firmly planted on the ground, and then you twist your body following the white line and staying level. Now, pano shots, of course, are usually used for big widescreen vistas, or you could do what I did, a small pano. Just makes it a little wider than my wide shot. Well, as you can see, it does look better. The one snag is the shadow of me at the bottom of the frame, but you know there's an app for that. It's called Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. It's free. It's my go-to app to do more than just cropping. Lightroom is similar to clicking Edit in Apple Photos, but Lightroom has way more tools. Now I can crop the photo and I could fine-tune the shot. The dehaze slider lets me darken the skies, and other sliders let me boost the color just a little bit. You don't want to go too far. And that's how I got my big double rainbow shot over the Neptune Lifeguard Tower in Manhattan Beach, California. A rare occurrence, one I hope we'll see again. This one I know we'll see again. It's gonna rain. Sometime it's gonna rain, and after it does, after a big pour, my recommendation, run out of the house, don't walk with your camera, because you're gonna see some great stuff out there like reflections and puddles, amazing cloud formations, maybe even a big double rainbow over a big beach with a pot of gold at the end. I'm Jefferson Graham. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment directly below, or look for me on Twitter or Instagram where I'm at Jefferson Graham. One last thing before we go, when I finish these videos, I love to end out with a little snippet of a tune. Do I know anything with the word rainbow in it? I think I do.